Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're here at the old jail and we're talking about what could be the penalty for not carrying flood insurance. So we're going to talk a little bit about that today. We're going to talk about two situations, whether you have a mortgage or you don't. We're going to talk about maybe some of the penalties you could be facing, maybe even some of the risks. Let's talk about mortgage companies first. What if you decided to let your flood insurance lapse? Or you didn't think that you needed it, but your bank's still requiring it? What could be the penalty? Well, it could be a huge penalty for you. See, your mortgage company could possibly do what's called forced place coverage because they have certain federal guidelines they have to meet if you're in a special flood hazard area. So this could mean triple the premiums. It could also mean other penalties for not carrying flood insurance on your escrow account, which could have a significant impact on your housing payment. So what if you don't have a mortgage? What could be one of the penalties for not carrying flood insurance? Well, it's not really a penalty, but if a flood occurs and you don't have any coverage, that could be a major risk for you and for your investment property. You could lose everything. So the penalty for you could possibly be property value if you cannot repair that property back to where it needs to be. So these are some of the penalties that you could be facing if you don't carry flood insurance in a special flood hazard area. So if you've got questions about what your flood insurance options are, how to avoid these penalties, how to minimize your flood risk, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risk like this right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.